As a Power BI developer or a data analyst, business leaders rely on you for their business intelligence. You must deliver visual dashboards that quickly and clearly tell a story of what's happening in your business. So how can you give your business leaders the insights they truly need? How do you sift through the massive data to uncover the answers that will make a real impact? In this guide, we're going to look at 5 simple tips to deliver reliable, useful reports that your business leaders will trust to make their important decisions. First of all, find out what matters. It might sound really obvious, but you'd be amazed how many reports make assumptions about what people need to know. And that's why too many reports fail to actually help anybody. So, ask questions before you start building anything. If someone requests a report or a dashboard, ask them 3 key things. 1. What specific questions are they trying to answer? 2. What insight or outcome do they expect to get? And 3. Once they have that insight, what's it going to allow them to do differently? So it's all about actionable data. If I know X, I'll be able to do Y. If you ask smart questions at the beginning, you're one step closer to giving your business leaders something genuinely useful in their report. 2. Less is more, so use restraint. Having taken the time to find out what's needed, make sure you actually deliver it. Again, this sounds really obvious, but I've worked with someone who, when asked for a report about the number of customers we had at any given day, they managed to turn it into a 10-page report that chopped up customer numbers in more ways than I could even count. They were well-meaning, but you couldn't see the wood from the trees in the end. So with all the pages of analysis, it wasn't actually easy to find that single key number that was the thing that had been asked for. So the report was a failure and nobody used it. Lots of time and effort wasted, and ultimately business leaders turned off and still not getting what it is they actually wanted. So less is more. Make sure your report has all the key things front and centre, not hidden away amongst pages of unnecessary background data. If they've told you what they need in the report, make sure they get it, and only that first and foremost. You can always add more later if you're asked for it. Think user experience. How can you make your report easy to digest for your busy, time-poor colleagues? It's not good enough to just dump the data into a report and then leave your boss to find out what they need. Your job is to guide them to the answers and the insights that they've asked you for. So choosing the right visuals to present your data is key. As well as keeping your report clear and uncluttered, choose your visuals carefully. For example, don't use a pie chart for a visual with 20 different factors in it. It's meaningless and it's really hard to read. Instead, choose a way of showing that data point in a way that tells a clear story. Try using things like top 10s to focus your boss in on the things that matter. For instance, if you have 100 customers, but only 10 of them have genuinely significant spend with you, it might be appropriate to only show those 10 and bundle everything else up as other. This will help whoever's reading your report go straight to the significant data. Number 4. Use colour sparingly to create emphasis. When you start working in data visualization, it's really tempting to throw the whole colour palette at it. But resist. Too much colour can be distracting for the reader and it can hide important insights. Instead, use colour sparingly. Ensure your report is calm and clear to draw your reader to the important insights only. And finally, number 5. Guarantee adoption with a thorough handover. So even if your business has been using Power BI for a while, this tip still applies. Always take the time to hand over your report. Make sure everyone understands what's in it, how it works, how they can get to those important answers, and why they can rely on the information in your report. Don't forget, this is also a great time for direct feedback, so remember to ask what, if anything, your readers would like to change, and then make the revisions as necessary. Do remember, Power BI is just a tool. Success lies in the actual execution. So getting the most from Power BI requires quality thinking, a good understanding of what you need to know, and a plan for the data and the technical skills to actually put all of that into practice. If you have some ideas on how you can use your data better, then why not explore those ideas with us? Book a 1-hour free consultation with one of our Power BI team, and let's see how you can use Power BI to influence your organization in new and unexpected ways.